In this video I'll show you how you can use the filters in Samsung camera app. So go to the camera app, and then at the top you will find this magic wand. Just click on that, and there are two options: filters and face. So by default filters option is selected at this point of time, and if you just scroll through these filters, you can see that we have got this original filter over here. Then there is a warm filter, and you can notice that the look and feel of the photo is being changed. So this is the cool photo or cool filter, this is lolly filter, this is frosty filter, this is a blossom filter, and you can see that the complete look and feel of the photo is being changed, colors are being changed. This is kiss me photo or filter. This is a grayscale, so if you want to take the black and white photograph, you can use this filter. There is a classic filter, there is a roof filter, and there are several other filters like this. You can also adjust the filter strength as well by dragging and dropping this slider like this. That's it. That's how you can use these filters in Samsung camera app. Thank you for watching.